Now, one of the questions I get asked all the time is what should I eat before my workout? And truth is, something that's got some carbohydrates and is easy to digest, like a banana, is great if you're short on time. But of course, if you have more time to cook, prepare, and digest something, then you can also have a balanced meal as well. There's really no need to overcomplicate it. After, my priority is getting in plenty of protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals to all help me recover and feel better for the rest of the day. Then a few hours later, I had some lunch, and it was this savory girl lunch with a mixture of loads of different things I prepared earlier in the week. There's something about having a meal made up of so many different components. I just find it so filling and satisfying. Don't forget about enjoying your meals, people. That's also really important to make you feel full, not just fiber and protein. Then on to dinner, I really just fancied something fairly quick, and I had some chicken to use up, so I made these miso pulled chicken tacos. Tacos can quite easily be quite a low fiber dish if you're not thinking about your ingredients, so I added in some mushrooms to help top things up, as a cucumber and the shells alone are really quite low in fiber. Then for afters, one of my latest obsessions is these flavored dates. I've been making it my mission this week to try all the different flavors, and I think cinnamon roll is my favorite.